If you want to scan documents on OPPO Find X9, then what you need to do is, first of all, we need to open the camera. Now over here in the camera, we need to switch to More in order to find the Dock Scanner option. And now we can point at our document, and then once we have it in front of the camera, we can just use the shutter button in order to capture and scan the document. Of course, we can keep adding new pages, just keep taking photos, and once you are done, we can tap on this arrow on the right side. We have some customization of these documents, so if needed, we can adjust it quite easily. As you can see, we have several options available over here, and we can also use the straighten and rotate option, and you can also use this plus in case you want to add more pages. Use export in order to save the scanned document either as an image or as a PDF file. So once it is exported, you should also be able to immediately open it. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.